All right, we're on to week 7, which means we're getting close to the end. The recipe this week is something that you can make as an appetizer for parties. You could have as like a little snack at the end of the night. It's very versatile in how you want to use it. You could use it as a side dish in whatever you're making, but it's delicious. It's wrapped in bacon, so who wouldn't love it? But the base of it is dates, and so I think dates are something that we don't use as often as we should. It's a great natural sweetener. It's packed with tons of vitamins and minerals, so like magnesium, potassium, B vitamins, fiber. It has all these things in it that are great for you. I like to have my athletes use it as like energy before a match or before a game if they're a baseball player. It helps with bringing natural energy and natural recovery because of the vitamins and minerals in it. I think it should be a superfood just based on everything that it can do for us, and I just think that it can be intimidating to kind of look at a box of dates and know what to do with it. So hopefully this recipe can give you some ideas and you can start playing around with dates in your kitchen. My favorite brand for dates is Natural Delights. The reason is they source organic Medjool dates. And Medjool dates are like the crown jewel of dates. So they're a little bit sweeter and they're packed with way more nutrients than other dates or other versions of dates. And Natural Delights is a great company. They're sustainably sourced. So I love working with companies that pride themselves on quality, and Natural Delights is one of those companies. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Comment below if you have other date recipes that you've tried and loved.